Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where your quota is used and then act. Open Google One or account storage details and scan Gmail, Drive, and Photos. You need that map. Next, run targeted searches like size, 10M and has, attachment to surface heavy files. Delete unneeded attachments and messages, then empty trash. This actually returns space. Once done, pause to note which service consumed most storage so you can focus subsequent cleanup steps more efficiently. Now you perform the deeper removal and changes that free substantial gigabytes. In Drive, sort by storage size, then delete duplicates and large shared files you own but no longer need. Make sure to check shared folders. For Photos, switch new backups to high-quality reduced size or selectively delete large videos and blurry screenshots. After removal, empty both Drive trash and Photos bin to finalize reclamation. Make sure to verify the storage summary again so you see actual free. Finish by covering remaining quick wins and a key fix if numbers lag. Clear Gmail promotions and social tabs in bulk and empty trash. That often frees extra percent points fast. If you still need more, upgrade Google One, pick monthly or annual based on usage. If your used storage doesn't update, sign out of your account, clear browser or app cache, and sign back in. Make sure syncing is enabled, and wait up to 24 hours for Google to reflect the changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.